then you go to Turkey. That's another thing. Nobody understands you, and you don't understand anything. That's a strange feeling also. Going to Turkey, and I was telling somebody that when we first got there, we had to stay in a hotel till the apartment was ready and all. And it was real hot that day when we got there from the airport, and you hear everybody fell asleep with the windows open. We're up like on the fourth floor of the hotel, and you hear singing and tambourines, and my brother looked out the window and goes, "Oh, you're not gonna believe this. There's a man out there wrestling with a big brown bear." And we looked out, and my mother goes, "Oh, where did your dad take us to now?" Those Turks they were dancing there. The Turks would wrestle with them, and they would play the tambourine, and people would throw money to them. But there was actually a guy wrestling with a bear,